Hey, how's it going? And this is just to show you how to create a cloak device for your character. And so this is what this looks like. If I'm in the game and I'm just running along and I left mouse button, I disappear and I can still run around. And then I right mouse button and I come back. So it's essentially like a cloak device. So again, left mouse button, I'm gone. I have to wait 3 seconds and then right mouse button and I'm back. It's pretty cool and it's really easy to do. There's just a couple little things. At the end of this tutorial, I'll give you a key map that you can take a screenshot of that can help you. And all I have in here is a item granter, and it's set to this trigger. And like I said, I'll leave a link at the very end of this tutorial. There's another tutorial, and there's a remote manager right there, and it is enabled on player spawned in. And there's my verse device just paired to the signal. And then the rest of this is just code, real simple. We have an app editable for the signal remote manager device. And then the primary signal event is the left mouse button. The secondary signal event is the right mouse button. And here we just get the agent that triggers the mouse device, convert from an agent to a player, get the port character, and then we can issue this command. And then this just does the reverse. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Here you've got the signal remote manager, and if you try to pair it to a signal remote, you'll see it has common, uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary. And when you click over here on the remote, it's not always clear. If I search here for remote, it's not always clear which one is which. So I have this little graphic that I put together, and if you just want to take a screenshot of it, it shows you how they all pair up. And essentially they pair up as they're laid out in order. So common goes to remote here, uncommon goes to remote A, rare goes to B, epic goes to C, and legendary goes to C. So they're essentially in order, but when you're looking at the remote manager, sometimes it's not always clear. So it's just a quick reference for that, just to save you some time. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care, and I'll talk to you next time.